Hello everyone, thank you very much. If you are new here, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you like the content, kindly like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate you and your time. So today I'm going to be reviewing this black soap. Now, if you're familiar with black soap, many people use that is the cottage fresh, especially the Ghanaian one. You have two of them. You have the Nigerian one and you have the Ghanaian one. The Ghanaian one, many people say is the one that really is very effective. That's the one that has the barcode on it. So make sure that if that's the one you really want or you want to go and buy, yes, buy that. It has the barcode on it and it's called, Cottage Fresh. But that has been in the market for so many years, so many years. I've used that before, and I think I reacted to the lemon peel. It's just too much for me, so I really don't use it. And many people really have to activate the soap. So many people that use it still have to activate the soap by adding some other ingredients to it to make it like a glowing and a lightening soap. So I was in the market. I wanted the black soap, but I just wanted one that was already activated, and I knew that I was not going to use that other one. So after loads of reviews and a lot of research, I found out that a lot of people, or some people, have been talking about this one. This particular brand is the Stay Young brand. So it's Stay Young Organic Good African Black Soap. Now, what really drew me to this was because, apart from the fact that yes, it had the normal ingredients of black soap, it had other ingredients that really wowed me. So let's look at the ingredients. It says it has saponified blend of refined vegetable oil, natural honey. Yes, natural honey is in it. Yeah, so I know some people also use dudu. Dudu is also very good, but I react to it. It's quite harsh on me, so that's why I don't use it. So yeah, so this one. So back to the ingredients. So this one has saponified blend of refined vegetable oil, natural honey, distilled water, shea butter, cocoa butter, as well as natural vegetable oil. It has glycerine, botanical extract, turmeric extract, cinnamon powder, kojic powder, and fragrance is a lemon and honeysuckle. Believe you me, the soap is fantastic. If you're looking for a black soap, I actually recommend. I would say this not because but just me, but I think at least like once a week or preferably twice a week you should use a black soap, right? Because of how natural it is. It also has cocoa pot ash in it, and just using something natural and cleansing, for me is fantastic. So this, you can see, it has already been activated. Look, they've added kojic powder to it. It has turmeric extracts. Turmeric is really known for its lightening properties, and it has cinnamon powder. Wow, if you know what cinnamon powder is fantastic. Cinnamon has the vibration of abundance. Some people actually sprinkle cinnamon in their water with sea salt and have their bath to attract abundance into their lives. So believe you me, just knowing that this soap has cinnamon powder, whoa, that alone, caught my attention. And it has natural honey in it. And so believe you me, I have used this, bought this for retails for like 1,300, and it's quite big. Net weight is like 500 grams. And so where is it made really? Phew. Well, they just say it's a produce of Africa really, and it says it's made by Lionstrap Industries. So yeah. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to open it. I've used quite some of it, and it's actually quite thick. If you've used Cottage Fresh before, Cottage Fresh is very soft, but this is actually quite thick. I don't know if you can see as I'm putting my hand in it. So it's really, really quite thick. A little goes a long way. So yeah, so this is what I use. It is the Stay Young African black soap. This is fantastic. It is already activated. So if you're looking for a black soap that you don't need to activate, already activated, as you can see, it has turmeric powder in it. It has kojic powder in it already. So it's already activated with natural lightness, skin lightness, and you would enjoy it really. So I just said, as you bring this to your notice, there's an alternative out there. I think this is really more in line with I won't say the trends now. Unlike Cottage Fresh is just still your classic Cottage Fresh, and those people use it like many of the skincare vendors. They use it as a base, and now mix and add. So what I'll say is that if you want a black soap that's already activated, go for this. It's fantastic. It is fantastic. It will give you a fantastic glow. Excuse me. I use this at least twice a week. At least twice a week. And it's fantastic. So give this a go. You're looking for a black soap, and you've been looking for one that's really going to, yeah, glow you up, lighten you up, give you fresh skin. Go for this. This is fantastic. So this retails for, I bought this for like 1,300, and believe you me, you're going to use it for quite a while, because before you finish this, wow, I mean, you're going to use it for quite a while. So it's a great investment. It's a great investment. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time and your effort. Please, if you have watched to this point of the video, kindly subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.